The most important part of beauty comes from within, the inner beauty, being interested in life, caring for others, and being involved in the issues of your community. The more you're interested in the world around you, the more interesting you become. A healthy mind needs a healthy body, and a healthy body needs a good diet and cleanliness. The type and amount of food you eat usually controls your figure, but there's one trick. The models use it. How to lose 5 pounds in 5 seconds. And good teeth are essential for one of the most effective beauty aids. Your smile and dress for the occasion. Dress for your figure. Cultivate a relaxed, pleasant voice. Speak correct English. Don't talk too much or too loud. Sometimes it doesn't go over too well, and for good reasons. And keep in mind, listening is often more appreciated than talking, and all the makeup in the world couldn't make up for this sort of thing. Walk smartly, improve your looks as much as you can. Go easy, or the result can become ludicrous. Take advantage of what's there. Accentuate the good points. Minimize the others. Optical illusions can, in many cases, produce the wanted effects. But you look much better this way. The most important part of beauty comes from within, the inner beauty. You look much better this way. The inner beauty,